Good morning, boys and girls. Today is Monday, May 18th, and I am going to go over your assignments for the day. Today we're going to watch a video in ELA. Today we're going to do word study, and we're going to look at the words that have I, E, and IGH. This makes the long I sound. So we have a video for you here, and you're going to watch this. It's a lesson on the long I sound, and you have to completely watch this lesson, then go on to your packet. In your packet you have this sort. So you're going to put all the words with IE in this column and the words with IGH in this column. So IE, like in pie, makes the I sound. The two vowels together make the long I sound. Pie. Okay, and then die, lie, tie, dries. Then look at IGH. These three letters together also make the long I sound, like in I, t, night. S, I, t, sight. O, I, t, light. Fr, I, t, fright. I, high. So you're going to sort these words. And on the bottom, you can pick 3 words and write 3 complete sentences. I love how everyone is using capital letter in the beginning, finger spaces, and a period at the end. Excellent job, my friends. In math, we have our choice boards. Today I am going to work on, I have put a video up, and the video is going to be teaching you a lesson on balancing equations. So if we go over here and pick this lesson, where is it? Let me just scroll through this and look for the balancing equation lesson. So some of your friends picked this for their choice board activity. I know it's flip side, but I just wanted to tell you, girls and boys, remember we did the heart, and the heart was balancing, and we put equations inside the heart, and we made sure that both the equations on both sides of the balance were the same, and we put an equal sign in the middle because whatever is on one side should match whatever is on the other side. So you're going to add 8 plus 2, you're going to get 10. Now, the other side should add up to 10 to make it equal or to balance it. So 5 plus 5 is a double, and it gives us the answer 10. So both sides have the same answer, which means the equation is balanced and both sides are equal. So watch my lesson. If you pick this as your activity today, it's very important to check my mini lesson in math. For science, we are going to be working on an earthworm's body. This is a very interesting lesson. I want you to try to read this by yourself. If you are not able to read the words, then you're going to go to ReadWorks website. You're going to sign in with the email address and the password that I have given you, and you're going to watch the video. I don't think this is the right one, but I'm going to put up the right link. Okay, there might be a mistake. In social studies, again, I want you to watch long ago and now, how life has changed. And then when you go on to your social studies packet, go down to the last 3 pages. So today we're going to work on family life then and now. So I'm going to read this. In the past, families didn't have blank or running blank. So if you watch the video, you should be able to answer these questions. Okay, the first answer here, it is something you need in the dark. All right, and running blank is something you need to take a bath with or shower. They cooked their meals on an open. You should be able to write that because it's in the video. Back then, people picked crops on blank. Think about it. Crops grow in a farm. So think about the answer. All right, timeline. I don't want you to do this one. If you want to, you can go ahead, but I would say skip the timeline and go down to your timeline, my timeline. The timeline tells my story from when I was a baby, a toddler, then now when I am a first grader. So when I was a baby, think of something that you did when you were a baby. Think of something that you did when you were a toddler. And now that you're in first grade, what do you do? So remember we talked about first, next, last when we write something in order or a sequence. So that's what we are practicing here. We're telling when we give a timeline. Remember we did a timeline for Rosa Parks, right? We gave a timeline about when she sat on the bus and when she did not listen to the driver to get off the bus. She sat in there. So that was a timeline. What happened first, what happened next, what happened then, and what happened last. So you're going to think about your timeline. This is your timeline and you're going to write about it. That's all for today, my friends. I am going to do another mini lesson on main idea and details for our nonfiction text. All right, I hope you have a fun day doing your work. If you have any questions, remember you can always call me.